AngieFitnessTV.
You're going to want your mat, you're going to want a meeting, you're going to want your barbell. It's called barbell push and pull. So what I want you to do, mine is set at 7 pounds each side, but you're going to set it. Preview the video so you know how much weight you want to put on your barbell. Are you ready to go? Subscribe, share, follow. Let's get our barbell push and pull strength training. We're going to warm it up. Here we go. All you're going to do, we have 3 minutes to warm it up. I'm all set up. I have my mat. I have my barbell. So circle. I just want to warm up our bodies. That's all this is. 3 minutes to warm it up. Big smile on your face. Thank you for coming with me. And circle. Just warming it up. Barbell push and pull day. So you're going to want some medium to heavy intensity. Each exercise is 1 minute. You want to maintain proper form. Modify by going slower and rock it side to side. I just want to get that body overall warm. Want to get that blood pumping. Squat. Down and up. Right here. Down and up. Squat. Pulse down 3. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3 with the knee. Alternate the knee. So it's right knee, left knee. Now single. 8, 7, 6. Get nice and warm. Really quick. 4, 3, 2. Lunge it. Here we go. Try to reach for your toes. 1, 2, reach. Just getting warm, guys. I like to get that body dynamically warm before we go into any weight training. Each exercise is 50 seconds. So you have 50 seconds of weight training work. I'm going to give us a slow count so we can always work under with control. Front. Reach over your head. You will plie, plie. Down and up. Arms. Right here. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Trying to warm up your adductors. Circle your arms. Just warming it up, nothing more. Reverse the circle. Are you guys ready for your first exercise? Toe heel in. Grab your bar. We're going to upright row, 2 by 2 split stance. Each exercise is 50 seconds. Now, I have 7 pounds on each side. 10, 15. Whatever today's workout looks like for you. This is my 4th video today I filmed, keeping my weight lighter. If this was the only video I did for the day, I'd really pack on that weight. We're going to push and pull today. Now, when we're using medium to heavy weights, I really want to focus on form. So that's why I'm going 2 by 2. Nothing crazy, nothing heavy. I'm in that split stance right here. So, remember, it's up to you to realize how much weight you put on. Preview this video. Underhand grip, bicep curl, 2 by 2. Here we go. I wanted to get this in. I love always doing biceps. I know it's not necessarily a push and pull exercise, but I wanted to get it in. Why not while we're here and we have this barbell? You have 50 seconds of work, 10 seconds of recovery. Chest tall and proud, shoulders melted, away from your ears. So if you have 50 seconds of work, how much weight do you need? By the end of the 50 seconds, I want it to be difficult for you to do the last repetition of that 2x2. Yeah? One more. All right, you're gonna underhand grip it. We're gonna row, feet hip width apart, down, row, knee and row. Squeeze a lemon in between your shoulder blades. Here is a nice, steady, controlled feet. Down, up, hinging from your hip. You are squeezing a lemon in between your shoulder blades. Up. Now, if this weight is too light, pause the video, right? Pause the video, add more weight. Once again, I'd have 10 or 12 on each side if I were not filming a lot today. But I have to go lighter. Whew. If this is your only workout, go ahead. I want you to go heavier. If it hurts your back, take a break. Take a break, everyone, now. Are you ready? 2x2 deadlift, feet hip width apart, shoulders rolled back, 2x2. Down, 2, up, 2. Right here. Oh yeah, working it. Woo, most people, you know, you could put 20 pounds on each side. Remember, it's 50 seconds of work. 50 seconds of work. So, it's not super high repetition. It's not super low. We're working it. You have to, I can't say it enough, pick an appropriate weight to get that great burn and muscle shred for you. You gotta know what weight you need. I can't stress that enough. One more. All right, we're gonna split stance. Take the bar to your chin, up 2, down 2, overhead press. Here we go. Up 2, you're coming to your chin. Lift over your forehead. I know you may not be able to see me. Woo, I have a small filming space. I like that split stance. Now once again, how light or how heavy are you working? If you tell me at the end of this workout it's not a hard workout, it's not because of me. Did you put enough weight on there? Are you feeling the burn at the end of your 50 seconds? You should be. If you don't like heavy weights, by all means, keep it light. Keep it light like I am. You get a great workout no matter what. Last time. Shake it out. We're gonna go deadlift to row. Let me show you. Deadlift, row, deadlift, up. Deadlift, row, deadlift up. Come with me. Deadlift, row. Right here. Working your back. So deadlift, row, down, up. Deadlift. Now, really squeeze through your glutes and your hamstrings as you come up. Core, nice, solid, and tight. Don't round your shoulders forward. Feet, hip width apart. Hinging from your hip. When you take those elbows back, squeeze a lemon in between your shoulder blades. Back work. Yeah. One more. Now I'm going to show you a clean and press. So it looks like this. Row up, come under, lift, up, and down. Let's go. Row, 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 turn squat, lift. I'll put a proper clean and press tutorial in the description below. I'll find a good video on a proper clean and press. I highly recommend you review that clean and press tutorial. So come up, squat, come under, drive it up, up. This feels awkward? Yes, you absolutely, look at that tutorial. I don't have time to explain it. Clean and press. Last time. All right, shake it out. You're gonna take a wide grip, palms under. We're gonna row, hinge from the hip, up to the belly button down. Palms up, wide grip from behind. So I have a wide grip, elbows coming back, belly button, top of the knee. Hinging from my hip, back, wide grip. I'm hitting my back from a different angle. Wide grip, palms up, back, elbows drive back, push and pull. Now you're going to make sure you have that mat in front of you. One more. We're going to take it to the mat, head above the heart. If you feel your heart rate's too high, pause the video, come back with me and you're ready. All right, take your hands as far as you can, as wide, chest press. We're gonna single it down and up, right here. Now, this should be a wonderful, hard workout for you. If it's not, you know how to modify. You know how to add more weight while maintaining quality in your form, right? You know what you're doing. So, it's up to you to guide your workout with the appropriate weight for you, yeah? If you have 15 minutes to get in and get out, don't mess around. Make it count. 2 more. Okay, next one, hand shoulder width apart. Watch me. So it's down, 2, 3, 4. Lift, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go. Back extension, overhead pull. I'm going in that nice 4 count. So we maintain proper form. Down for 4, up for 4. I want quality in movement. Come on. Down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go. Up, 2, 3, and 4. Two more. Last time. All right. We're just going to take it down and up. Skim your rib cage. Hand shoulder width apart. Down and up. So you're skimming your rib cage right here. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Come on, let's work. After this, we're going to turn around and we're going to do push-ups. That works your entire upper body with a push and a pull. Down, up, right here. Four, 3, 2, and 1. So you're rock and roll up, put that bar safely off to the side. You're going to turn around, knees or military, I'm going to stay knees, down 2, up 2, ready, go. Down 2, up 2, down 2, up 2. Last exercise, down 2, up 2, I'm burning. Down 2, up 2, again, down 2, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. Keep that pace going. You got 20 more seconds. Woo, if this is too fast, slow it down. Come on. Hey, Bill. Let's plank it, forearm plank. 15 seconds. Let's work that back. I love to end with plank. 4, 3, child's pose. Time to cool down and stretch. 3 minutes. Bonus, cool down and stretch right now. If you can't do that, make sure you stretch on your own. Look back on this workout. Could you have added heavier weight? Was it too much weight? Was it too little? Your workout, you go where you need to go to push. I never want to hear in my workouts it was easy, because you can modify, you can intensify, make it harder, you can make it easier. It's all what you want and how hard you're willing to push and listen to your body. Curl your toes under, downward facing dog. Hey, Bill. Hey. Bella wants me to play ball with her. Oh, she heard that word, ball. Oh, nice. Let's rock and roll it back. Place your hands underneath your feet if you can. Pull up. If you can, interlace your fingers. Oh, drive your hands up and over. Put a bend in both knees, hands on top of each thigh. Roll it up. Circle arms back. Let's work on flexibility. Let's work on mobility. Woo, grab an ankle, any ankle. Let's get a nice hip flexor stretch. I know we did a lot of upper body. I did not incorporate lower body. Don't worry, there's more videos where I'm incorporating that lower body with the barbell. And let's switch that other side. Right here. Let's just rotate side to side. Melt your shoulders away from your ears. Right here. Up and over, lateral stretch. Open up. And other side. Look over that left shoulder. Look over that right. Take it to the side. Just want to stretch your joints, guys. Even though I know we didn't work inner thigh. Just want to stretch everything. You got to get everything rounded and stretched. Come up, toe heel in, chest expansion. Deep breath in. And exhale last time. This is it. Big inhale. And exhale. I burned 130 calories. Again, in this workout, I burned 130 calories. Thumbs up. I'll see you for our next 15 minutes to fit workout together.
AngieFitnessTV.